I am Ashka Bharadwaj, a student of BTS second year. When I first came to this college as a fresher, means first year, currently I'm a second year, but when I firstly came to this college, I was so nervous and you have this uncertainty and doubt inside your head before entering a new place. I was totally new to the environment. But gradually, when I came to this college, my perspective totally changed about people. The environment is so warm and friendly, the teachers are so friendly, and my seniors are so helpful.
गुड आफ्टरनून, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर विक्रम सिंह है। मैं एक मैग्लोफेशियल सर्जन हूँ। मेरे डिपार्टमेंट में यूजी सेक्शन में काम करता हूँ। मेरे डिपार्टमेंट में बहुत सारी सुविधाएं हैं। यहाँ पे जो भी पेशेंट आते हैं उनके साथ बहुत ही अच्छे व्यवहार और बहुत अच्छे कुशलता के साथ सारे डॉक्टर्स बातचीत करते हुए उनका इलाज करते हैं और सारे पेशेंट का बहुत अच्छे से ख्याल रखा जाता है। और मैं यहाँ प्रोफेसर होने के साथ साथ मैं अपने बॉयज़ हॉस्टल का वार्डन भी हूँ। हमारे बॉयज़ हॉस्टल में सारी सुविधाएं हैं, एसी है, जिम है, ग्राउंड है, प्ले ग्राउंड है, बाकी सारी सुविधाएं हैं।
Myself, Dr. Sujit. I am professor here at Chandra Inter College, Barabanki. It's a renowned college of our city, Barabanki. I appeal to all the aspirant of the NEET, UG and the PG students who are going to give the exam, and I would like to say them best of luck for the exam and try to join our college, join my college. Especially the specialty for our college is that there's a good study environment. The patient output is very good. You will gain everything regarding the study, regarding the your academic career, regarding your sports. You know. So best of luck. We are waiting for you.
Hello, I am Dr. Praveen Kumar Pandey, currently working as a professor and head in Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery in Chandra Dental College and Hospital. In my department, currently 15 PGs are there, 5 PGs in per batch. In our department, on regular basis, where seminars, JCs, case presentation are carried out in routine basis. Various minor and major surgical procedures are carried out. In minor cases like exodontia, transalveolar extraction procedure, pre-prosthetic surgery like alveoloplasty, vestibuloplasty, major cases like trauma, maxillofacial injuries, and in salivary gland disease like parotid gland, TMJ, temporomandibular joint related disorders, and cancer. We also associated with Mayo Institute of Medical Sciences, where our PGs are going for their regular academic purpose, and we are doing best, and our faculties are also available to help out all the PG.
मैं विभागाध्यक्ष डॉक्टर अरुण वर्मा। मेरा डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कंजर्वेटिव डेंटिस्ट्री एंड एंडोडोंटिक्स है। मेरे विभाग में बेसिकली रूट कैनाल ट्रीटमेंट, जो कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं, और कॉमन प्रोसीजर है, वो डील किया जाता है, जिसमें दांतों के नशों का इलाज होता है। खास करके मरीज़ उस कंडीशन में आता है जब बहुत दर्द होता है दांतों में, पल्पल डिजीज़ या पेरिएपिकल डिजीज़ के द्वारा उसे काफ़ी पेन होता है, तो वो ट्रीट किया जाता है। साथ ही साथ हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में एस्थेटिक डेंटिस्ट्री जैसे ब्लीचिंग प्रोसीजर हुआ या कंपोजिट रेस्टोरेशन के द्वारा स्माइलिंग डिज़ाइनिंग हुआ, वो भी ट्रीट किया जाता है। साथ साथ में कुछ सर्जरीज भी की जाती है, एंडोडोंटिक सर्जरीज के द्वारा भी दांतों को बचाया जाता है। बेसिकली हमारे डिपार्टमेंट का जो एम है वो हम नेचुरल टीथ को बचाते हैं, बचाने का ही एम है। किसी तरीके से हम अपने नेचुरल टीथ को बचाएं, जिससे कि जो है मरीज़ हमारा ठीक से खाना खाए, स्वस्थ रहे, और स्वस्थ दांत रहेंगे तो स्वस्थ जीवन भी रहेगा। तो इसलिए ये डिपार्टमेंट बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। डेंटिस्ट्री की जितने भी डिपार्टमेंट्स, उसमें ये डिपार्टमेंट बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है इस लिहाज से कि हम नेचुरल टीथ को प्रिजर्व करते हैं।
डॉक्टर कविता नितिशकर, प्रोफेसर हेड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ओरल पैथोलॉजी एंड माइक्रोबायोलॉजी। बेसिकली हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में बेसिक डायग्नोसिस को ट्रीट किया जाता है कि एक लिंक है, हमारा डिपार्टमेंट सारे डिपार्टमेंट से लिंक्ड रहता है। यहाँ पर हम BDS MDS दोनों को पढ़ाते हैं। BDS में बेसिकली हम लोग डेंटल एनाटॉमी एंड ओरल हिस्टोलॉजी प्लस ओरल पैथोलॉजी एंड ओरल माइक्रोबायोलॉजी कवर करते हैं। ओरल एनाटॉमी में हम बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर दांत का, उसकी शेप, किस तरह से बच्चों को लिखा जाता है, किस तरह से मुंह में होते हैं, कौन कौन से होते हैं, उनकी क्या एनॉमलीज होती है, ये बताते हैं। हिस्टोलॉजी में दांत कैसे इरप्ट होते हैं, दांतों की ये शेप है तो ये क्यों होती है शेप, मुंह में सलाइवा है, स्लाइवरी ग्लैंड्स है तो कौन सी लोकेशन पे होते हैं, क्या होते हैं, हम ये बताते हैं। ओरल पैथोलॉजी एक बेसिकली स्पेशल ब्रांच है जिसमें हम डायग्नोसिस करते हैं ओरल कैंसर टिश्यू की माइक्रोस्कोप के थ्रू। आजकल वेरियस एडवांस टेक्निक्स निकल गई हैं हर कैंसर को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए, लाइक इम्यूनोहिस्टोकेमिस्ट्री, फ्लो केमिस्ट्री। बेसिकली यही हमारा डिपार्टमेंट।
Hello, this is Dr. Nisha Bhanushali.
Myself, Dr. Myam Modi.
Hi, I am Dr. Ashri Verma. So we are residents in oral and maxillofacial surgery at Chandra Dental College and Hospital. Speaking of my personal experience, coming all the way back from Gujarat, it was a really big deal for me and for also for my parents. It was a really significant decision. But as soon as I came over here in person, when I blended in with the environment, I didn't even realize when I adapted over to here. Additionally, we are provided with extensive patient exposure. The diversity as well as the volume both is very good over here at Chandra Dental College and Hospital. We are also tied up with a medical college that provides us with rotations in various departments, as well as we are also provided with oncology posting in our third year. Uttar Pradesh is well known for the cases of oral submucous fibrosis and the oral cancer patients, and hence this region provides us good patient exposure.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Khalika Hizam from Department of Periodontology, Chandra Dental College. First of all, I like to express my gratitude to the college itself क्योंकि यही में आके joining to the Department of Periodontology is a very big deal for me. यहाँ पे I get to experience a lot of clinical exposure doing various type of soft tissue management under our guidance of the faculty. So it's such a nice place to join Chandra Dental, and being the part of it, it's very lucky, and I am very grateful for it.
Hello everyone. I am a third year postgraduate student of endodontics department in Chandanakal College and Hospital, Safedabad, Barabanki. There are plenty of patients in this hospital. It's like there are plenty of footfalls of patients. Like we get to treat patients from every strata of society. We perform various treatments like root canal treatment, endodontic surgeries, and various aesthetic procedures also. In our department, we have two operating dental microscopes under which we perform various root canal treatment procedures and endodontic surgeries. We have good faculties which guide us through the whole journey of post graduation, and in time to time, at least in once in a year or oftenly, we perform a CD program in which renowned speakers like Dr. Agam Bhatnagar has came, who is an international speaker of regenerative endodontics. So in this college, the post graduation is like a complete experience. Like we get to know, like we get lectures, hands-on workshop, hands-on courses, and all, and we do aesthetic and restorative procedures along with the root canal treatment.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Parth Kakkar from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. As a neophyte in the field of dentistry, the preeminence virtue that statistically proclaimed me on this institute is its triple Ds: dignities, decorum, and discipline. The tactics of faculties and administration blended professionalism with accountability and approachability, making the students feel equanimous and expressive. Secondly, the junior-senior cordial bond, where the senior guides junior in understanding the unspoken norms of the institute, fostering a culture of dignity and cooperation rather than intimidation, making the campus exuberant and vibrant. So, for anyone who is contemplating admission to this institute, you are unequivocally on the right track. Therefore, as college offers comprehensive facilities complemented by highly educated and supportive faculties. Thank you.
I, Inshal Zia, am a student of this esteemed college. I can proudly say that my college offers exquisite facilities for all sorts of physical activities. Our college offers a multifaceted ground and a well-equipped gym, which provides a beautiful atmosphere to nurture not only young dentists, but young and healthy dentists. As we all know, a healthy mind needs a healthy body to exhibit itself. And as doctors, this should be a priority. Our college upholds this particular notion by organizing various different sports activities and various health promoting activities such as yoga day, etc. And if you're looking for a perfect work-life balance, this is the place for you.
A very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to express our thoughts, feelings, and experience related to our college. Hello, I am Shahzad Mohammad Rafiq from Maharashtra, Mumbai. Today, I would like to share some of my experience regarding to our college. Here, जब मैं यहाँ पहली बार आया था तो मुझे अब हमारे नेटिव प्लेस से बहुत ज़्यादा ही एक्सपीरियंस दूसरा मिला. हमारे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल हैं. वो हमें हमेशा टैकल आउट करते हैं डिफरेंट टेक्नोलॉजीज़ के थ्रू, स्टडीज़ के थ्रू, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटीज़ के थ्रू. वो हमें ऑलवेज 24/7 हेल्पफुल रहते हैं.
Namaste. I am Vaishnavi, student of Chandra Dental College and Hospital, and I really take pride in telling about the strengths of our college. We have excellent preclinical and clinical laboratories. For example, the Phantom Laboratory, where we Vaishnavi, student of Chandra Dental College and Hospital. Here we have excellent and well-equipped preclinical laboratories and clinical laboratories. For example, the Phantom Laboratory in Endo Department, where we do all the procedures on the models, which really helps us in enhancing our skills and boosts our confidence. Also, we have well-equipped dental vans, which are used for carrying out the dental camps in nearby rural areas for the people who are underprivileged and are defiant of proper oral care, oral hygiene. So these things are really great about my college. And
सुप्रभात सबको. आई एम रिया कुमारी. मु ओडिशा रे आसु छु एवं एबे मु उत्तर प्रदेश रे मोर कॉलेज रे पढु छु. मु एक कॉलेज को चूज करी छी बिकॉज ए कॉलेज एफोर्डेबल फीस रे रिजनेबल क्वालिटी एजुकेशन देउ छु जहाँ समस्त स्टूडेंट पाई एक्सेसिबल. आमर कॉलेज रो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर सिंपल किंतु आमे एठी बहुत फॅसिलिटीज पाई था.
नमस्कार मंडळी, मी अंजली आहे. मी महाराष्ट्र मुंबईची आहे. BDS फर्स्ट इयरची. लेट मी एक्सप्लोर माय लाईफ इन चंद्र डेंटल कॉलेज. सुरुवात करतो मी अनाटमी लॅबपासून. अनाटमी लॅबमध्ये कडायवर आणि स्केलेटन बघून आमच्या धगधग व्हायचं होतं, पण त्यांची इतकी वाढ झाली आहे की आता मॅन्डिबल आणि मॅक्झिला आमचे क्लोज फ्रेंड्स झालेले आहे. मग येतो वर्व 0.5 फेस्ट. तो खरंच एकदम मेमोरेबल होतं. इतक्या लेक्चर्स आणि क्लिनिकल मध्ये ब्रेक घेऊन सगळ्यांनी खूप एन्जॉय केलेले आहे. इट वॉज फॅब. आमच्या स्वॅग आणि सगळं खूप छान असतो. वर्व 0.5 फेस्ट तो अख्ख्या वर्षाचा हायलाईट इयर होतो. तेच होती माझी लाईफची एक छोटीसी ग्लिम्प्स.
हमारा नाम अंकन सिन्हा. हम छपरा बिहार से बानी. चंद्रा डेंटल कॉलेज हमनी सके कॉलेज बानी बहुत बढ़िया बा. हमनी हॉस्टल में रहनी और हॉस्टल के माहौल बहुत बढ़िया बा. हमनी सब एकदम परिवार नहीं रहनी, कोई दिक्कत ना होला. हमनी सके सीनियर हमनी सके बहुत मदद करेलन सन. शाम में मस्त हमनी सन फुटबॉल खेलने जाएनी, ओकर बाद शाम में चाय पिए जाएनी. सब एकदम परिवार नियर माहौल बा. सब एक दूसरे के मदद करेलन. तो यहाँ एक हमनी सके बहुत एक फ्रेंडली एनवायरनमेंट बा, बहुत अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट बा. हमनी सके टीचर बहुत मदद करेलन, प्रोफेसर यहाँ के बहुत अच्छा बारन. हमने सब शाम में यहाँ के दोस्ती हमने एक चीज़ देख ले बानी कि यहाँ के दोस्ती बहुत सही बा. हम एक चीज़ याद रखें कि अगर हम कॉलेज छोड़बो करते हैं कबो तो हमारे यहाँ के दोस्ती याद रही. तो यहाँ के वो बहुत चीज़ बहुत अच्छा लगला हमरा.
I am Mariam Khan, a first year student of Chandra Dental College and Hospital. My college upholds the values of equality, which ensures the student which ensures the student who are treated with dignity and respect, regardless of their belief, background, or appearance.
Even while I being a hijabi, I always felt very comfortable and respected. The people around me have accepted me for who I am, rather than just focusing on the piece of cloth on my head. They truly accept me for who I am.
Hello, I am Ashka Bharadwaj, a student of BDS second year. When I first came to this college as a fresher, means first year, currently I'm a second year, but when I firstly came to this college, I was so nervous, and you have this uncertainty and doubt inside your head before entering a new place. I was totally new to the environment. But gradually, when I came to this college, my perspective totally changed about people. The environment is so warm and friendly. The teachers are so friendly, and my seniors are so helpful. after a while, and I understood why is it happening, because of anti-ragging committee. We have an anti-ragging committee in our college which ensures proper and easy going of this institution. Our anti-ragging committee conducts orientation. Our anti-ragging committee conducts orientations also, and a particular mentor is assigned to every class, which helps in taking therapy of the students and helps the students in any of the problem they have. And thirdly, I would like to say that our committee ensures that our seniors maintain a proper boundary of acceptable behavior. And till now, I can proudly say that till now, no ragging has been committed in our college. And our college tolerates no ragging, and that is something that we should be proud of, and that is something which prevents it. Thank you so much.
Everyone, I'm Stuti Shukla of Chandra Dental College and Hospital. At Chandra Dental College and Hospital, we just don't brighten smiles, we help to prevent them going up in smoke. With the Tobacco Cessation Initiative, we help individuals to quit tobacco via free counseling. As we know how oral cancer is rising among young individuals, our college aims to prevent that. Also, our college is associated with the IDA, the Indian Dental Association, and recently a sports dentistry fellowship happened here, where Dr. Atul Surve and Dr. Ashok Doble were also present. Our college is very energetically involved with all the workshops that IDA conducts. Also, I would like to say at Chandra Dental College, we cure cavities, crush bad habits, and go towards healthier tomorrow. Thank you so much.
નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, મારું નામ શુભી શુક્લા છે. હું અમારે ગર્લ્સ હોસ્ટેલ વિશે કહેવા માંગુ છું કે અહીંના વાતાવરણ ખૂબ જ સુરક્ષિત, શાંતિપૂર્વક છે. અહીંના રહેતા દરેક વિદ્યાર્થી ઘર જોવે આભાસ જોવે છે. અમારી વોર્ડન મેમ ખૂબ જ સહાયક અને સમજદાર નારી છે. કોઈ પણ સમસ્યા હોય છે કે અમે ધ્યાન આપી છે અને અમારા માર્ગદર્શન હોય છે. હોસ્ટેલ પણ સુવિધાઓ સારી છે, ભોજન પણ યોગ્ય અને સ્વાદિષ્ટ મળે છે. डोंट वरी, द कॉलेज इज डाइवर्स एज वेल एज आवर कंट्री. ठीक है, फेस्टिवल्स के टाइम पे ऑफ कोर्स आपको अलग अलग तरह की चीज़ें मिलती हैं, स्वीट्स भी मिलते हैं. एंजॉय योर लाइफ. द हॉस्टल लाइफ, हॉस्टल के पीछे लाइफ इसलिए लिखा है क्योंकि भाई ये अलग होती है.